Hello everyone, today we review 10 little airplanes. Now can you tell me what's this? An airplane. So what are they? Airplanes. Yes, now let's count some airplanes. How many airplanes? One airplane. How many airplanes? Two airplanes. How many airplanes? Three airplanes. How many airplanes? Four airplanes. Very good. How many airplanes? Five airplanes. How many airplanes? Six airplanes. Now, how many airplanes? Seven. Yes, 7 airplanes. Now, can you count? How many airplanes? 8 airplanes. That's good. How many airplanes right now? 9. Yes, 9 airplanes. Okay, now how many airplanes? 10. Yes, 10 airplanes. There are 10 airplanes. Very good. Goodbye. See you next time.